Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are doing a VR accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset. Today we're looking at the Elite battery strap made by Kiwi Design. This one retails for $89.99, both on their website and Amazon.com. I will link those below if you are interested in checking those out. Its battery capacity is 6400 mAh, which extends your playtime by about 3 hours. In this video we are going to unbox this. I will put it together and then I will give you my review of it, showing me using it a little bit there as well. You can get an 18-month warranty on it, which is awesome. Kiwi Design has great warranties for their products, which is already a big plus for this one. So let's jump into it. Okay, here's the box that we received in the mail. If you've ever received a package from Kiwi Design, you'll know that all their boxes look nice and sleek like this one. So I've slit the edge right here. Let's open this one up. At the very top of the box you can see the instructions. And let's open this up here. Back here we have our instruction manuals, warranty, and here we have I think this is for the cords on the side. There you go, our first look at the head strap there. Awesome padding all along. Comparing the other head straps that I've seen up to this point, I haven't really seen any that have a lot of padding on the strap that goes over the head like that, so that's awesome. A nice cloth so you can clean your lenses with. And then the battery pack. There you go. That's it in the box. Everything fit nice and snug. So I'm going to set this to the side. So here you can see little claw marks at the edge here. Those clip in there, and you can feel them snap in as you go. And then this little guy's to hold the cords on the sides. So we're gonna put that cord through, strap it in, and then you can Velcro it here to the side. Alright, so let's put this on. I've got an old, well, not an old strap, I've got another Elite strap with the battery pack. This one is by Biscoita. So we're going to take this one off. So you want to take this part here, go underneath, and bring it up, or you can adjust that later if you need to. We'll see if that fits for my head or not. And then these just snap on. Alright, so there it is installed. That's obviously way too small, but you can see how small this actually goes. Here with this knob we can extend this out. Alright, so looking at this now, I'm going to need to extend this even a little bit more because that's going to be too small for my head. And I'm going to move this little guy here to this part here. There we go. We're going to, I'm going to try this out. We'll see how it goes, and then we'll come back to you and give you a nice little review on it. Alright, so here we have the Elite strap all put on there. You can see it at the different angles there. It's got pretty good balance as well, which means it's going to take the pressure off the front of your head. If we put it on here, it's got the nice knob on the back that you can adjust, and then it has the ability to tilt as well, which is awesome because a lot of times only the ones with the halo strap have that ability, but this one you can do it as well. I think it says it can tilt up 52 degrees. So overall, there's your charging port there, and it's not using the same port as where the cord is coming out of. I really like that the cord's coming out of the side on this one. That makes for a really sleek and smooth design. This cord holder here does a good job of holding it in place and keeping it nice. You can do simultaneous charging on this one. That means you can charge this battery pack as it's charging your headset, which not all Elite straps have the ability to do. This part up top, as I kind of mentioned when I was unboxing, it has some nice padding, which is good, and the padding on the back here as well is nice and soft. So this one isn't a halo strap, so there is still a little bit of weight on the front of your face. However, I do like how snug it feels. Sometimes with the halo straps, it's almost as if the headset's almost kind of floating in front of you. I do like having it nice and snug to my face, and so this is able to do that with this one. It does extend the playtime by about 3 hours, as it said, which is awesome. We all like that extra playtime, and it's just nice to have. Nice to not have to charge it as often as some other ones. For the price point, it is a little bit on the higher end, but for the design, for the comfort, I feel like that is an okay price compared to other Elite straps that I have tested. If you want to check out my other VR accessory reviews, you can do so below. I will link that playlist. I've done a wide variety of VR accessory products, so you can check those ones out. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.